In this video, you'll be seeing the features and how our application works. So over here, the email address is being keyed in, and if you choose to log in this manner, then you'll receive the error message where it says login failed. Now, by writing all our display name, email address, and password, as you can see here in the video, what will happen is that the system not only checks for whether your individual fields are correct, but rather whether your account has already existed in the system. So therefore, since my account has already existed in the system, registration will obviously fail, and therefore I would just have to log in. All right, so you can see that the map is moving, and you can look at the various chords that are available. And on the top left corner, you can look at how we switch through the application, different spots. All right, on the top right, you will see the filter option. When I click filter, I can just choose any of these filters and apply them. And when that happens, that will leave me with those chords that I want to look for. So featured chords are usually based on those that are user rated and that you can do a lot of things there. So one of the things that we will highlight is all chords will have this is when you add a new chord. Yeah. So upon adding a new chord, all you need to do is just key in all these details. And speaking of chords, one thing that I didn't mention earlier is that we use a weather API to gather data for the temperature as well as the weather in that location. So this is not hard-coded. It's actually taken from the database itself. And that will be the same for the Google Maps API that we use that I shown earlier. Now over here, I accidentally clicked the empty space, so you can just ignore that for now. Then yeah, all fields are required. If you don't fill out all fields, then you will throw in an error message as well. Now that's just a test image because I do not have a picture of Tampines ECC on hand. So now that the code is submitted, what we will do is that we will log out of the user account and go into the admin account. So as we enter in the admin account, we look at the Tampines ECC has appeared in code submissions, and therefore we are allowed to go and approve or reject this submission. Upon doing so, what we will do is to go back to the user account to show that it has been successfully applied. And now if I zoom in on the location where I put my one, you can see that it's been applied there. All right, that's all of our features. Thank you so much.